Hi, I'm Lorson. So I'm going to take 10th standard max. Topic is statistics. Question number is 12. The measurements of the diameter of the plates prepared in a factory are given below. Find standard deviation. So diameters are this: 21 to 24, 25 to 28, 29 to 32, 33 to 36, 37 to 40, 41 to 44. So likewise number of plates 5, 18, 20, 16, 8 and 7. So now diameters. So what are the question it has been given, mention that values. So next step is number of plates. So number of plates you have to consider it as F. So what is the question? 15, 18, 20, 16, 8, 7. So write that values here. So now 21 to 24. So it doesn't have a proper class interval. So in this case what you have to do means you want to subtract this LHS value with 0.5. Right side value you want to add with 0.5. So once if you do that, 21 to 24, so that means subtract 21 minus 0.5, 20.5. So likewise 24 plus, so left hand side minus 0.5, right hand side plus 0.5. So once if I do means I will be getting 24.5. So divided by 2. So this divided by 2 is nothing but that mid value formula, x1 plus x2 by 2. So once if I add that, I will be getting 45 by 2. So answer is 22.5. So for the first value I have been written the solution over here. So likewise you want to follow for all the remaining numbers. So once if you do in the same manner, so 25 minus 0.5, 28 plus 0.5 divided by 2. So once if I do that, I will be getting 26.5. So likewise 29 minus 0.5, 32 plus 0.5 by 2. So I will be getting 30.5. So likewise the steps should be followed for all the remaining numbers in the same method. So next you want to add this F value. So once if you add, you will be getting 84. So next step is D equal to x minus A by C. So here this mid value you want to take one assumed mean. Either you can take 30.5 or 34.5. So here I have been taken 34.5. So this C value, so 26.5 minus 22.5, 30, 36. So everything it is divided by 2. So that means C equal to 2. So follow that method. So that means x value here it is 22.5. A value and C value it is fixed for all these numbers. So D equal to x minus A by C. So A value is 34.5, C equal to 2. So that means D equal to this x value minus A value divided by 2. I will be getting minus 12 by 6. Sorry, 12 by 2. I will be getting minus 6 as answer. So this is minus 6. So likewise 26.5 minus 34.5 by 2. So answer will be minus 4. So likewise use the same method to get the answer for this D value. Next D square. So what is minus 6 the whole square? 36. What is minus 4 the whole square? 16. What is minus 2 the whole square? 4. 0 is 0, 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16. Next is FD. So F into this D value. So 15 into minus 6. So minus 90. So 18 into minus 4. minus 72, 20 into minus 2 is minus 40, 16 into 0 is 0, 8 into 2 16, 7 into 4 28. So once if I add all these numbers, you have minus sign also here, so do that subtraction addition over here, you will be getting the answer minus 158. So next is f d square. So this f value into d square. So 15 into 36. So I will be getting 540. 18 into 16, 288. 20 into 4, 80. 16 into 0, 0. 8 into 4, 32. 7 into 16, 112. So once if I add all this number, there is summation f d square. So summation f d square value will be 1052. Now standard deviation formula is c into root of summation f d square by n minus summation f d by n the whole square. So in the previous problem you will be having single digit as well as here also single digit. I mean the individual numbers. Here it is lies between starting to ending number. So formula is c into this term. So what is the c value we returned here? 2. So 2 into summation f d square. What is summation f d square? 1052. So 1052 by 84 minus summation f d by n the whole square. So this is minus 158. So minus 158 by 84 the whole square. So then take LCM for this, 1764. So do the multiplication. So 15851. So 2 into, if you divide this term, you will be getting 8.98. So again square root of this term is 2.99. So finally sigma is 5.98 or 5.99 or 6 as round off value. So that's the end of this sum. Hope you understood the problem. If you have any doubts, you can type it in the comment line.